Welcome to our channel. Today we venture into a realm where resilience meets remedy, where captivating beauty intersects with potent healing properties. This is the captivating world of succulents. These hardy plants, masters of water conservation, thrive in arid environments, their fleshy leaves a testament to their remarkable ability to withstand the harshest conditions. But beyond their aesthetic appeal lies a treasure trove of medicinal and therapeutic benefits. In this exploration, we'll delve into the fascinating properties of 5 such succulents, uncovering their hidden depths. So let's get started. Our journey begins with a familiar friend, the ubiquitous aloe vera. Revered for millennia for its soothing touch, aloe vera has graced ancient apothecaries and modern medicine cabinets alike. Its most known benefit is its ability to soothe and heal burns. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it effective for skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and acne. From ancient civilizations to modern-day homes, aloe vera is a true healing marvel. Our exploration takes us to Mexico, where the Chavaria thrives amidst rocky outcrops and sun-drenched slopes. Often mistaken for a sculpture, its rosette of fleshy, vibrantly colored leaves is nature's artistry. Beneath this beauty lies a powerhouse of antioxidants, battling free radicals in our bodies. Free radicals, from metabolic processes and environmental factors, damage cells, contributing to aging and diseases. Antioxidants in Chavaria neutralize these harmful molecules. They protect our cells from damage. More research is needed, but traditional medicine values Chavaria. Its extracts treat inflammation, pain, and skin conditions. Beyond medicinal benefits, Chavaria's colors bring joy and tranquility. Whether on a sunny windowsill or in a rock garden, Chavaria reminds us of nature's beauty and resilience. Our expedition now leads us to Madagascar, home to a remarkable succulent with a long history of medicinal use, the Colano. This genus, encompassing over 125 species, boasts an impressive range of therapeutic applications. Colano's medicinal prowess stems from a rich cocktail of bioactive compounds, including flavonoids, tannins, and alkaloids. These potent chemicals contribute to the plant's remarkable ability to heal wounds, combat infections, and even address respiratory ailments. In traditional medicine, poultices made from crushed Colano leaves have been applied topically to treat burns, cuts, and skin infections. The plant's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties help soothe the affected area, prevent infection, and promote healing. Extracts from certain species like Colano pinnata have demonstrated potential in treating respiratory issues, including coughs, colds, and even asthma. These extracts are believed to work by reducing inflammation in the airways, loosening phlegm, and easing breathing difficulties. From wound healing and infection control to respiratory relief, Colano stands as a testament to nature's ability to provide for our well-being. Our exploration of medicinal succulents continues as we turn our attention to a diverse genus with a rich history in traditional medicine, the Sedum. Our journey explores the diverse genus of Sedum, succulents found in various habitats, from rocky outcrops to urban landscapes. With over 400 species, Sedum is a treasure trove of medicinal potential, used for centuries in traditional medicine. Its medicinal properties come from bioactive compounds like alkaloids, flavonoids, and tannins. In Chinese medicine, Sedum treats ailments from inflammation to cancer. Often found on windowsills, these succulents have potent healing potential. Our final destination brings us face to face with a miniature marvel, the Haworthia. Often overshadowed by its larger succulent cousins, the Haworthia, with its intricate patterns, might seem an unlikely candidate for medicinal stardom. Yet, beneath its unassuming exterior lies a potent healer, its gel harboring a wealth of therapeutic benefits. Native to South Africa, Haworthia thrives in the shade of rocks and shrubs. This potent cocktail contributes to the plant's soothing and healing properties. We are reminded of the incredible healing power that resides within the natural world. There you have it! 5 incredible succulents, each with its own unique set of medicinal and therapeutic properties. From aloe vera's renowned skin-healing powers to Colano's potential in treating respiratory issues, these plants are more than just aesthetically pleasing additions to our homes and gardens. They are living testaments to the interconnectedness of nature and human health. Incorporating these succulents into our daily routines, whether through topical applications, consumption, or simply by appreciating their beauty, allows us to tap into the wisdom of traditional medicine. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the fascinating world of medicinal succulents. We encourage you to delve deeper into the individual properties of these plants and to approach their medicinal potential with curiosity and respect. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating any new plant-based remedies into your health regimen. And most importantly, take the time to appreciate the beauty and wonder of the natural world, a source of endless fascination and healing potential.